Previous lecture we have studied how to construct a cycloid, and given was the diameter of the generating circle, that was 5 centimeters. Now in addition to this question, there comes a question like also draw a normal and tangent to this cycloid. So we will see the procedure how to draw the normal and tangent to this cycloid. So for this, first we have to take any point, say M, on the cycloid. Okay, so let this point be M on the cycloid. Now take a distance equal to the radius of the circle, that is 2.5 centimeters in your compass. Okay, compass मध्ये 2.5 centimeter distance घ्यायचं and keep the compass onto this point M and draw an arc on the line which is passing through the center of the circle. असा arc काढायचा. Okay, so हा जो point मिळेल, from this point draw a perpendicular using a set square to this line which is pi d. So give the notation to the point on this line pi d as n. Now draw a line mn. This will be your normal. And now we have to also draw a tangent to the cycloid. So from the point M, draw a tangent to this cycloid. So this will be the tangent to the cycloid. So is it clear how to draw a normal and a tangent to a cycloid? Now for your understanding I will label it, but you don't label it. This is the normal and this is the tangent. While you draw, don't write anything. You just have to draw the cycloid. Clear? Okay.